What's going on, guys? My name is Roscoe. Thank you for tuning into my channel. So I finally just got the Yeezy merch off the Ye album. It just came in the mail today, and I kind of want to unbox it for you and give you guys a first-hand look of it and my honest opinions of the shirt. If you're not aware, when the Ye album dropped last month, you were able to cop a long sleeve shirt or a hoodie. The long sleeve came in the white and orange colorway, and so was the hoodie. I didn't go for the hoodie only because it's summertime here, and I want to rock. I want to rock the merch. And if I cop the hoodie, it's just it's too hot out. I wouldn't be able to wear it as much. So if you purchased the long sleeve or you purchased the hoodie, you were sent by email a digital album, which was, my honest opinion, I thought the album was a banger. From listening it from track 1 to track 7, I thought all the songs were pretty dope. So, I'm still listening to it today. It's finally actually hitting the radio. I was listening to the radio and I heard Yikes and All Mine on it. And those are probably the two best tracks, from my opinion. Ghost Town is probably third. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite track off the album. So, without further, let me give you a first-hand look of the shirt that I got. So here it is today, right here. Here it is. Just came in the mail today. So let's open it. I already ripped it open, so take a look at it. So I did cop the orange shirt right here. Orange shirt, copped it in a large. Right away, just giving you a first-hand look, it's made by Gillian, right? If I'm saying that right. And right off the bat, I can tell you right now, that's like a $2 t-shirt. So I don't know if you guys are aware of that, but I can just already tell it's kind of like, is it worth the money? Probably not. So you're not getting your money's worth on the shirt. Tell you that right now, because this shirt right here, this type of shirt you can get at like Joann Fabrics, which is like a clothing like designer, grandma company store, and they sell them for like $10 a shirt. Not even. Think about that. If they're selling it for $10 a shirt, the store guys has to make a profit too as well. So they're probably taking like a $3-4 profit off the shirt. This is a $65 shirt. So talk about the rich getting richer. And supposedly he sold like 500,000 units of these shirts in the album, just alone on the first day. Ridiculous. You know how much profit he probably made on these shirts? Crazy. Absolutely crazy. But anyways, I went with the orange colorway. If you're not aware, orange is my favorite color, and I love this neon trend. Absolutely love the neon trend right now. So the shirt, this orange already pops. So let's open it up and give you guys a first-hand look at it. Already tell. Yeah, so it's a little thick, but here it is right now. So here it is, Wyoming. See if I can get it to focus from the light. So it says Wyoming. It's got the mountains on it, and then on the sleeve it says Jackson Hole. It's not going to really give you a good look of it. I'm going to lay it down and show you guys firsthand what it actually looks like. And then on the back it says, I don't know if it says Kanye West album listening. So it's just Kanye West album listening May 31st, 2018. So that's what it is right here. I got a large. It fits actually pretty well for a large. It's nice and long. It's actually a good size. So I went true to size. I don't think you can get it anymore unless you pay resale for it. If someone sells it or if I sell this, probably the only way you get it. I think it was up on the site for 2 or 3 days, and then he took it down. Right now, I don't think there's anything. It's actually, the website is shop.kanyewest.com. I think they did have a blanket that was for sale. I didn't cop that, but that was up there recently. But anyways, here's the shirt. Again, if you guys are looking for a shirt for the Butters, I know a lot of people are like, oh, the Butters are coming, what do I wear? Dude, this shirt right here would be fire with the Butters. Just the whole neon trend. Dude, you could rock that. You could kill this outfit with that. So this would be a dope, and especially with dude, rock this with some camo pants. Woof, fire. But right off the bat, I can tell you the shirt's probably definitely not worth $65. Granted, you get an album with it, but it's digital. You know, if they gave me an actual CD, I thought that would be pretty cool. But they just send you an email with a link to download, you know, all the tracks on your laptop. But anyways, it is what it is. I like this. This shirt's pretty dope. So let me try this on, give you guys a look, and, you know, show you, just give you guys a good fit, show you guys a fit, how I rock this. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Let me know down in the comments if you were able to purchase this. Like I said, I didn't go for the hoodies. I thought the hoodies were just, you know, like I said, I wouldn't be able to wear it as much. I'm definitely going to rock this heavy. I think this is such a sick shirt. Probably would wear it tomorrow, to be honest with you. I'm actually excited to have this. This is pretty cool. But hey guys, I appreciate you guys watching. My next video, I have the off-white shirts that I'm going to unbox for you guys tomorrow. Been holding off on that, but because I just got this in, I wanted to guys give you guys a first-hand look of this. So hey, like I said, guys, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.